So I'm very happy. This is our part set of A, and now we can do part C now. Let's keep going. What is part C? Number 7C says set A is equal to, so let's put it, set A is equal to, says the elements 1, 2, 3, then all the way up to 10. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, then dot, 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 all the way up to 10. Okay, this is set A. Now what do they want? What do they want from us? What do they want from us? It says, how many subsets contain exactly one element, and how many, the key word there I think is how many. They don't want them, they want the number of them. So how many subsets contain exactly one element, and then how many subsets of A contain exactly two elements. So you know what a subset is, okay? It is a set which is just a piece or exactly the same as the set you have, okay? It is just a piece of the set, or it's exactly the same. They look alike. So how many subsets are we going to make which we have exactly one element? Now I'll ask you, how many elements? They say it should have exactly what? One element. Now if I ask you, how many elements do we have in here individually, if we talk about them? How many elements do we have? We have 10. So how many subsets do we have that we have exactly one element? They didn't say exactly one number. No. They said exactly one element. One element. And an element is a term inside. So how many would we have? 10. Okay. So you can say, if you want to list them, it's you. Okay. To say you have set with 1. Then you have the set with 2 only. Then you have the set with 3 only. Then you have the set with 4 only. Then you have the set with 5 only. Then you have the set with 6 only. Then you have the set with 7 only. Then you have the set with 8 only. Then you have the set with 9 only. Then you have the set with 10 only. It's an element. It's one element, although there are 2 digits. So therefore, there are 10 sets or 10 subsets of A that have one element only. Okay. Now let's talk about the things that have 2 elements. How many would we have? Okay. How many would we have that we have 2 elements only? I think here's the game I'm going to play to make it easy for me. I'm going to say, let's talk about the sets that we have 2 elements, but starting with the number 1. Okay. There will be 1. What? We want the sets to have, how many subsets do we have that we have 2 elements only? So let's say it has element 1 and 2. Then it has element, let's talk about another one. So let's say there is a set which is element 1 and 2. Then we have a set which is 1 and 3. Then we have a set which is elements 1 and 4. Then we have a set which is elements 1 and 5. Then you have a set which is the elements 1 and 6. Then you have a set which is the elements 1 and 7. Then you have the set which is the elements 1 and 8. Then you have a set which is the elements 1 and 9. Then you have a set which you have the elements 1 and 10. How many are these going to be? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So there are 9 of them. Now let's see the ones that start with the number 2, okay? You have 2 and 1. You have a set which has the elements 2 and 1. But this is exactly the same as the set 1 and 2. So we're not going to take it. We'll start with 2 and 3, okay? Then we'll take 2 and 4. Then we'll take 2 and 5. Then we'll take 2 and 6. Then we'll take 2 and 7. Then we'll take 2 and 8. Then we'll take 2 and 9. Then we'll take 2 and 10. Right? How many are these going to be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, okay. So it's going to be those that start. Okay. So you can say start with a 1. They're going to be 9. And you can say here 2 element sets that begin with the first one that begin with a 1. There will be 9 of them. Then the second that begin with a 2, we saw that there will be 8. So that begin with a 3, there will be 7. That begin with a 4, there are going to be 6. That begin with a 5, there are going to be 5. That begin with a 6 are going to be 4. That begin with a 7 are going to be 3. That begin with an 8 are going to be 2. And that begin with a 9, it's going to be 1. Okay? Two element sets. Okay? You can't have a 2 element set that begins with a 10 because you have put it in every other thing. So now we just add, okay? 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6. So 9 plus 8 is going to give me 17. Plus 7, 24. Plus 6, 30. Plus 5, 35. Plus 4, 39. Plus 3, 42. Plus 2, 44. Plus 1, 45. So you can say, therefore, there are 45 subsets that contain 2 elements that can be made from set A. And we are done. This is going to be our solution. And we can now go on to look at the next number, which in this case is number 6, because we're going bottom to the top. How good is that? Is that fun? That's great. Let's talk again in the next video. Goodbye for now.